Hi, my name's Amy with WTI, and if it's at all possible, I like to avoid any cleaning products that have a lot of harsh chemical cleaning agents in them. I'm really happy to have found this company, Better Life. They have a great variety of cleaning products. This one today that I wanted to talk to you about is their dishwashing gel. It's really fantastic. So let me just show you how to use it and some things I love about it. The dishwasher's all filled up. I tried to rinse all the dishes pretty well, but you can see there's some sauce stuck to the bowl. Well, let's see how well this works. So let's shake the bottle really good first, and then we're gonna squirt 1 tablespoon into the reservoir. You really only need the 1 tablespoon. Remember, this is ultra concentrated, so a little is all you need. All right, so it's all done, and it looks pretty good. Nice and clean. You can see a shine, and there's no residue. And I love that squeaky clean sound you get when you rub the glass. So Better Life dishwashing gel. It is a great find. It works awesome. No harsh fumes or chemicals, all plant-based. I think you're gonna really love it, but that's just my point of view.